It's December in Maine, the perfect time to start a lasagna garden. We had a slight delay from a minor snowstorm. So it's been about 3 weeks since we first planted our seeds, and they've already come up very nicely. As you can see, we got some corns really blowing up, some little basils here, some little tomatoes. We have big moose pumpkins, as well as squash and kale, and more basil, and some more. Over here we have beets. So it's August 1st, and we've honestly had a lot more results than I think I ever would have expected. We haven't had anything die. Everything's grown really well. Really impressed with the first year of lasagna gardening. Two big things of peas that are almost about to go by. These are snap peas, and man, they've been delicious. Made a lot of stir fries with them. Got our kale plants here, way more kale than we can eat. Look at all of these basils. We are talking about a lot of pesto. We're gonna cut all those down right after this video, make about 1 million pounds of pesto, freeze it for this winter.
This is the biggest pea.
So it's fall, it's October 21st, and it is time to put our garden to bed. What we still have in the ground are onions, carrots, beets, shallots, actually have some other things too, but those 4 things are what we're going to harvest today. Put them in our root cellar for the winter.